Hello, my dear students. Welcome to mathematics class with your Ashu ma'am. Dear students, today we are going to start 10.3 exercise in which we will learn how to find out the area of any rectangular object or area of any square object. Like in the previous videos, we have learned to find out the area by the graphical method by counting the number of squares, and we have learned to find out the perimeter, but now we will learn the area using the formula. Like if you want to find out the area of your rectangular page, you can use this formula. If you want to find out the area of one face of your dice, ludo dice, then you can use these formulas. So let us see what is this. So, dear students, before moving on to the exercise questions, let me make you familiar with the formulas. Here, rectangle means a four-sided figure, means a quadrilateral with four sides whose opposite sides are equal. Here you can see AB and CD are equal, each equal to L. We call it as length, and AD and BC are equal, these are breadth. And each angle of rectangle is 90 degree, and in case of a square, four equal sides are there, each angle is 90 degree and all sides are equal. I have marked all equal sides as A. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, and from here you can learn that area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. L multiplied by B means in area we will multiply the dimensions, whereas the perimeter is the sum of all the sides, but in case of a area we multiply. Similarly, the perimeter of square is sum of all the sides. A plus A plus A plus A means 4A, or 4 into side, and area of square is side into side, or we call it as side square. We can write it as side square also, or if the side is A according to the figure, so we can write it as A square also. Now let me tell you about the units. Units for perimeter, units used for perimeter, single unit, and units for area, square units. Because we are multiplying the two units, centimeter multiplied by centimeter, you will get square units. So note down these formulas in the same way in your notebook before starting 10.3 exercise. Now let us see what is question number 1 of 10.3 exercise. Now dear students, this is 10.3 exercise, page number 219. So the question number 1 says, find the area of a rectangle whose sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, B part is 12 meter, 21 meter, C part is 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, and D part is 2 meter, 70 centimeter. So I'm going to do only two parts. One I'm going to do first, and I'll do fourth part. Why I'm doing fourth part? Because here I'll tell you, if the two dimensions are having different units, then we have to first make their units same. But in other cases we have similar units, so here the area units will become square meter, here it will become square kilometer, here it will become centimeter square. But in this case we need to convert either in meters or in centimeters. So let us start with question number 1. So dear students, A part is 3 centimeter. We'll consider it as a length and 4 centimeter as a breadth. Now the formula for area of rectangle is L into B. You must write the formula, and then let us put the values. 3 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter. So what do you get? 3 multiplied by 4, 3 4s are 12, and centimeter multiplied by centimeter will become square centimeter. This. So this is the square, right? So this is the answer to A part. Now try B and C parts yourself. Like B part is 12 meter, and so try B and C part yourself. Now let us see the D part, 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So dear students, first of all we will convert either meter into centimeter or centimeter into meter. So let us first of all see the conversion. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we can either convert meters into centimeters or into this. So that means this is the conversion. If we want to convert meter into centimeter, so it will become, we'll multiply this 2 by 100, or we can write it as 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So we can convert in any of the form, right? Now let us convert this meters into centimeters. So 2 meter must be divided by, sorry, we will convert centimeter into meters. That means 70 centimeter. To divide it in meters, we have to divide 70 by 100 to, then it will get converted into meters. So for this 10 we will place a decimal leaving one digit, because 10 carries only one digit. So 7, then place a decimal, no other digit is there, so place this. So this will become like this. Now let us write down. So what is the formula? Area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B. So L is 2 meter multiplied by breadth is 0.7 meter. So when you multiply 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. Meter into meter is meter square. But here decimal, after decimal we have one digit, so we'll place a decimal here also. So the area of this rectangle will be 1.4 square meter, right? So in this way you can make the clouds for writing the formulas, or you can use the black pen while writing the formulas or specific things. Now similarly, dear students, do B and C part yourself. Now let us move on to question number 2. Find the areas of squares whose sides are, first part 10 centimeter, second part 14 centimeter, and C part 5 meter. So again I'm going to do first two parts, first and third part. Try B part yourself. So side is 10 centimeters. So area of square is side square. So let us put the value 10 centimeter square. And square means what? That the number, given number must be multiplied by itself. स्केयर मतलब बेटा होता है कि किसी, अगर 2 पावर है मीन्स सेम नंबर को 2 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 पावर होती है तो मीन्स क्यूब, दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय फॉर 3 टाइम्स, नॉट बाय 3. So 10 into 10 is 100, and centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So this is the area of this. Now similarly, let us do the C part, that is 5 meter. Side is given to us as 5 meter. So again we will write area of square is equal to side square. So let us put the value. First let us enclose it in a cloud to make the work very beautiful. And the side is 5 meters, so let us put it, and square. So 5 meter square means 5 meter must be multiplied by 2 times itself. So 5 5s are 25 meter square is the answer. So I hope it is clear to you, dear students. So you can mark length, breadth, and these as sides, right? So in this way you can do your question number 1 and 2, and try third question also once yourself. So thank you for now. Thank you.